Hello team. So this is the e-commerce platform which I'm going to show you. This platform we are using for cakes and gifts. Okay, your user can easily log in or register by adding email ID. Okay, here you can check these are some products or cakes, so anyone can easily buy. They just click on any product or any cake, then they will find out the description part, category, product ID, description and other details. They can check review as well, more product, related product and all. After login, they can buy easily. Currently, I am not logged in as a user. Okay. This is signed for admin login because I'm already logged in as an admin. That's why it's coming. Okay. So user can easily search, buy easily. This is a multi-vendor as well. So I will show you how multi-vendor options we have. Okay. So this is the backend which I'm going to show you first. So this is the vendor options, vendors dashboard. So here you can find out the complete data of vendors like net sale, sign up, or here you can check how much product we had created, commissions, vendor and withdrawal. Okay, after that you can check all withdrawal data here. Reverse withdrawal you can check. After that we have a vendors data. So how much vendors you have or how much vendors live is there, then that data will come here. Okay, after that in a WooCommerce, so all types of order, if any users place any order, then that order data will come here. If you click on I options, then you can find the billing details or product details. Okay, you can check order data. If you want to check or update anything, then you can check order detail, billing, shipping details, item data, item price, subtotal and all. You can manage that. After that you can customer data, you can check here. So here you can find out the complete customer data. So like name, username, last when he or she active, register date, what emails they have and all. They can manage that. After that in a products, you can find out the all product data here. So here you can find out all live product data in stock, how or if stock is out, then that will change in out of stock. Okay, here you can check price, category and all. You can add it as well if you want to add it. If you want to add any new, then you can add. Okay, so you can add the name, descriptions. Here you can check the price. After that inventory you can manage, shipping you can manage, link attributes you can manage that. In the right corner here you can check the category. Okay, here you can check product images. Here you can check the publish. Okay, you can live the product. So here you can check the category as well. So here you can find out the complete category data, or you can create multiple category. Here you can check tags, attributes. If you want to create any coupon, then you can go in a market and marketing, and here you can find out the coupon data. So here you can check the existing coupon data, or you can create multiple coupons. After that you can find out the complete users list here. If they are vendor or they are user, no issue, you can find out the complete data here. Okay, after that some settings we have. You can use any payment gateway. You just need to add your key. So you can use your Razorpay, Paytm and other as well. So this is the complete demo which I already show you. So if you have any doubts, then let me know. I will try to help you. Thank you.